Na lost ka na ba? Naramdaman mo na yung feeling na lost ka na, hindi mo na alam saan ka pupunta. O baka ngayon nandun ka sa sitwasyon na yun. I've been there, done that. I can't even remember for how long. Yung pakiramdam na hindi mo na alam kung anong paniniwalaan mo, walang direction yung life mo. Yung parang zombie ka na lang, yung gigising, kakain, magtatrabaho, pero walang buhay. There are no goals, no drive, no passion. There's no meaning to anything. Hindi siya madali, di ba? Nahirapan ka rin ba? Alam mo, hindi ko alam kung anong pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. Or one thing I'm sure is that God knows your struggles. God knows your pain. He knows your heartaches. And He knows how deeply hurt you are. Hindi mo man siya nakikita, pero dinadamayan ka niya. Hindi mo man siya nararamdaman, but He is right beside you. I feel you. Pinagdaanan ko yan. Pero ngayon na nakarecover na ako, at malinaw na ulit ang lahat, na-realize ko na minsan inaalaw tayo ni God na mawala tayo para mahanap natin ulit yung way natin papunta sa Kanya, yung makabalik tayo ulit sa Kanya at hanapin natin siya. Looking back now, na-realize ko na lahat pala may rason. Even those times na feeling ko yung mga bagay na walang meaning, yung mga nangyayari na wala nang meaning sa akin, lahat pala yun may reason. Even those things that I want to forget, they have a reason. And even sadness has a reason. There was a purpose for everything. At kung nasan ka man ngayon, ano man yung sitwasyon mo, please know that I am praying for you. I am praying for you na sana maging malinaw na ang lahat. Sana makabalik ka na. Don't give up. Sana magkaroon na ulit ng direction yung life mo. Araw-araw bumangon ka pa rin. Kahit mabagal yung usad, as long as you are moving forward, it's okay. God is walking beside you.